Alright, Chatgpt keeps getting better and better, and we have been using it more than ever before. So today, let's talk about 10 killer Chatgpt features you absolutely need to know. These features will simplify your daily tasks, and a few of them are amazing productivity boosters too. So let's get started. Chatgpt now supports voice chat with real-time screen sharing, making your workflow smoother than ever. Imagine you're stuck troubleshooting a technical issue, editing a photo, or even trying to quickly compare prices before making an online purchase. Just open Chatgpt, start a new chat, tap the conversation icon, then tap on the three dots and select Share Screen. Now, when you return to the settings you're having trouble with or the product page you're reviewing, Chatgpt can see exactly what you see and offer instant targeted guidance. How can I turn on dark mode?
Turning on dark mode is pretty easy. Just go to your settings, then tap on display and brightness, and you'll see the option to switch to dark mode right there. You can also set it to automatic if you want it to switch based on the time of day.
That's pretty neat, right? Next time, especially when you need quick solutions or immediate feedback, use this feature and take some help from Chatgpt. Keep in mind, this feature is exclusive to Plus and Pro users only and isn't available for the free version of Chatgpt yet. One of the Chatgpt's coolest new feature is voice chat combined with visual queries. It's like having a smart, helpful assistant right next to you. Picture this. You're at a grocery store comparing 2 packs of milk. You can open Chatgpt, start a voice chat, share your camera view and ask, "Hey Chatgpt, which milk has better nutritional value?"
So between the two you're looking at, the one in the red carton is whole milk, and the one in the blue carton is reduced fat or 2% milk. The whole milk has more fat and calories, while the reduced fat milk has less fat.
And instantly it gives you a breakdown so you can make the healthier choice. Or maybe you're trying to decide between 2 ice cream brands. Just show both of them and ask which one has fewer calories and less sugar. Chatgpt will quickly analyze and respond with a clear answer, saving you time and effort. Chatgpt can also speak multiple languages. Whether you're traveling abroad, practicing for a language exam, or just trying to improve your Spanish, French, or Japanese skills, you can simply say, "Let's talk in Spanish," and jump into a real-time conversation in that language.
Hola, claro que sí. Hablemos en español. ¿Qué te gustaría platicar hoy?
Can you talk in German?
Ja, klar. Ich kann auch auf Deutsch mit dir sprechen. Worum geht's denn?
How about Hindi?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ. तुम्हें किस बारे में बात करनी है?
This real-time voice and visual interaction makes Chatgpt a powerful tool for everything from shopping decisions and travel prep to tech support and hands-free research. This feature offers a limited daily preview of advanced voice mode using GPT-4o mini model. Voice chat works, but video and screen sharing are not yet available. The fully advanced voice and live video is available only on the Plus and Pro plans. We know that Chatgpt can generate images. Did you know that it can even edit images? No need to open Photoshop or any other photo editing tool. Let's say you're working on a social media post. You can upload an image you already have and ask Chatgpt to tweak it. Want to add a sunset behind you or a giraffe standing next to you? Just highlight the area using the magic wand icon, describe what change you want, and Chatgpt will generate the image with your edits. It's seriously fun and surprisingly powerful. I actually made a full video showing all the ways I use Chatgpt for image generation. Definitely check that out after this video. You can also use this feature for things like visualizing a new couch in your living room, trying out backyard makeover ideas, or even fashion suggestions. The creative possibilities are endless, and honestly, it's a blast to experiment with. The only catch? This full experience is available only with the Plus or Pro plan. If you're on the free plan, you still get limited image generations. You won't have access to the full editing tools or frequent usage. One of the most underrated but instantly powerful feature in Chatgpt Pro is connectors. It lets Chatgpt securely connect to your favorite apps and services like Gmail, Google Drive, Microsoft Outlook, Slack, Notion, and more. Once it's set up, you can interact with all of these tools just by asking ChatGPT in plain English. Let's take Gmail for example. You can say something like, summarize my latest email and write a professional response to it. Then click the tool icon, select deep search and toggle on Gmail. ChatGPT will go through your inbox, fetch the relevant email and even generate a reply, all in one go. You can also ask things like, find the email from Zara about my purchase last week and tell me how much I spent. It'll present the result in a clean, readable format. You can go beyond emails too. Search for files in Google Drive, scan unread images in Slack, pull data from Notion, and more. What's even more impressive is how ChatGPT understands context. You could ask something like, which project needs approval? And it'll piece together information from different sources to give you a helpful, human-like summary. Once it's connected, it honestly feels like ChatGPT becomes your superpowered digital assistant, one that knows where everything is and exactly what you need and when you need it. It might take a few seconds to pull in the data, but it's 100% worth it. Just remember, connectors are only available on the Plus and the Pro subscription. ChatGPT's memory toggle and temporary chats gives you full control over what it remembers and what it doesn't. Let's say you're planning a surprise birthday party or working on a confidential business idea or just don't want certain conversations stored. You can either turn off memory completely or start a temporary chat where nothing gets saved after you're done. To access this, click on your name in the bottom left corner, go to Settings, Personalization, Memory, and toggle Reference Saved Memories and Reference Chat History off. When memory is off, ChatGPT won't retain any details between chats. And if you choose a temporary chat, even if the memory is enabled, that specific conversation won't be remembered. Open a new chat and tap on this icon on the top right corner. This will bring you the temporary chat section. This feature is great for private brainstorming, sensitive work discussions, or anytime you just want a clean slate. It gives you the flexibility to use ChatGPT without worrying about leaving a digital trail. Perfect for moments when privacy really matters. Custom instructions in ChatGPT allows you to personalize how it responds to you. Think of it like setting your preferences so ChatGPT knows what tone to use, what your goals are, and what kind of help you usually need. To customize ChatGPT, click on your name or the three-dot menu in the bottom left corner and then go to Customize ChatGPT. You will see two main fields. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? And how would you like ChatGPT to respond? This is where you can get creative. If you are a parent, you might say, I have a young child and I'm always looking for fun, educational activities and ways to simplify daily routines. Help me come up with engaging ideas and practical tips. Then, in second field, you could add, respond in a friendly, supportive tone with simple explanation and a positive vibe. If you're a developer, you might say, I work mostly with Python and JavaScript. Help me debug code and write efficient functions. Then request responses to be concise and code heavy. Or if you're a finance manager, you could write, I handle budgeting, forecasting and financial reports. Help me analyze data, write clear reports and summarize trends for presentations. Then you can ask ChatGPT to respond with a formal and professional tone using bullet points and charts when necessary. Customize your ChatGPT and see how different it responds after that. ChatGPT's projects and templates features is a powerful way to keep your work structured and organized, all within the app. Whether you're launching a new podcast, managing a content calendar, planning an event, or even organizing your study routine, you can use ChatGPT to manage it step by step. You can start by creating a new project in the ChatGPT interface. From there, you can give it a title like Podcast Launch Plan or YouTube Content Calendar. For example, if you're a student working on a thesis, you could use a template to break down your project into stages like research, outline, writing, editing, and submission. Or if you're planning a wedding, you can track everything from vendors and budgets to RSVPs and timelines. This structured workflow helps eliminate discussions, fatigue, and keeps everything in one place, making it ideal for creators, business owners, students, or anyone juggling multiple responsibilities. Canvas mode is one of the most underrated tools inside Chatgpt. It turns Chatgpt into your collaborative writing space, perfect for drafting blog posts, essays, reports, and more, all in one seamless interface. Here's how it works. You can open Canvas, type or dictate your ideas, and Chatgpt helps you expand, edit, and polish your writing. You're not limited to just generating a paragraph and copying it elsewhere. You can work on your content end to end in one place. If you need to adjust the tone or reading level, Chatgpt can simplify or elevate your text with one click. Want a final grammar check or headline suggestions? It can handle all of that too. It's like having a writing assistant, editor, and proofreader all rolled into one. It's especially helpful if you're working on longer documents and want structure, guidance, and polish without bouncing between apps. Creating your own GPTs takes personalization to the next level. It lets you build a custom version of ChatGPT with its own tone, focus, and behavior tailored to your specific needs. For example, if you're into fitness, you could create a personal coach GPT that remembers your goals, tracks your weekly workouts, and offers tailored motivation. Teachers can build an assignment helper GPT that breaks down concepts, generates study material, and quizzes students. Small business owners could create a client proposal GPT to automate quotes, copywriting, or client communications. And the best part, you don't need to code. Just go to the Explore GPTs tab, click on Create a GPT, and walk through the step with a few simple prompts and toggles. This is one of the most powerful ways to make ChatGPT truly yours. Okay, last but not the least, let's talk about prompting because how you ask matters. Advanced prompting techniques help you get deeper, more useful results. Try this one. Before answering me, ask 3 clarifying questions so you better understand what I need. This instantly shifts ChatGPT from a basic assistant to a smart collaborator, and it's especially useful when brainstorming product ideas, writing, or planning strategy because it forces more thoughtful, custom-tailored responses. You can even act like a startup mentor, helping me pitch into investors, or give me pros and cons for each option and ask me which one sounds more like me. Or you can even ask help me prioritize these ideas based on ROI. With better prompting, you can turn ChatGPT from a good assistant into a great thought partner. And that's it. 10 powerful ways to supercharge your ChatGPT experience. These features can seriously elevate your daily workflow, creativity, and productivity. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button, comment below, and let me know which feature you're excited to try first.